Hi everyone. This week we're going to finish the steel cages, then we're going to fill them with beautiful rocks. Okay, Gilbert, come hold for me, yeah? That's it, okay. Let's put that level on there. Right, pick it up. Pick it up. Are we there? Good. Right, now we do the next one. Let's see. I think it's going to be fine like that. This lavender smells wonderful. That's it. Let me see. Come. Because I want it to overlap like this. It's fine. Let's go for it. Okay, have you got it right? Are we good?
Yeah.
Are we going wrong direction? That's why it doesn't go in. You need to hold on to it. But are we? No. Huh? We need to go down a bit. Yeah. Okay. Go up, down. Up a bit. Hold it. Okay. And then this one is going to be here. There will be a small platform that we'll cut on that side. That for more rocks.
So this one, it will hold with what?
Small specimens.
Oh, I mean to...
Oh, just a bit of that tile glue.
Okay.
4 dabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 6 dabs. Okay, you can take it off. Just wanted to fit it. Then this one will come here. Okay, can you... Does this have a... This has a magnet. I never knew that. I promise you, there's a magnet inside. Yeah, there's the magnet. It fits. Okay. Yeah, that's nice, Gilbert. That's nice. We can put a few rocks on there. Okay. Okay. Yes, this leaves can collect quickly.
Yeah.
This is lepidolite. It's getting very, very scarce. You know, they make batteries from lepidolite. You cannot get it from Zimbabwe anymore.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very difficult to get it now. You see what's nice with the way that we displayed it here, if we get rain, everything is going to come clean.
yeah, because there is no dust coming out.
Exactly. So look at the color. Eh? Look at when you spray it. The color is intense. Really intense. It's so beautiful. So you've got a little bit more there. It's of now. Just look at the color. Eh?
So this one, they're coming on lithium or what?
Lithium. They make lithium batteries from this. Because this purple is lithium that's in there. Lepidolite is lithium.
Okay.
You see when you wear them down, Gilbert, how nice they are.